In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be quickly taking you through how to do an RNT for your ankle dorsiflexion. So RNT means reactive neuromuscular training, and that's what we're going to be doing when we work through ankle dorsiflexion in this example. So all you need is something that you can put the foot on. This can be a chair. In my case, I've got a bench here, and I'm using a resistance band that I've got looped around a fixed resistance object that isn't going to move as I'm doing my ankle dorsiflexion. So what I want you to consider is whatever side is furthest away from the band, which is my left side and left leg, that is what's going to be looped around this resistance band. I'm going to put the resistance band in a position where it's just below my knee. So I'm now going to pop my leg into the resistance band. I'm going to come out, and I've got both of my feet facing completely forwards. So both of my feet are entirely forwards. I've got the resistance of the band here. If I was to completely let my body go completely floppy, that's where I'm being taken by the band. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come forwards into dorsiflexion, keeping my knee nice and straight, and come back. So I'm going to work my active dorsiflexion whilst in an RNT. Now, the further I come away with that resistance band, the more resistance I'm going to have. So if you're somebody that wants to really challenge these ranges, you can come further away, or if it's too much and you feel like you're losing your balance, you can come back into a position that's less challenging. And from here, it's all about just trying to keep that ankle coming completely straight with the knee. You can either hold a stretch in this position, so you can just work as a passive stretch, or you can do repetitions. Whatever one you decide to do, repeat exactly the same on your opposing side. If I was going to do my right side next, I would be facing the opposing way to make sure that it was the foot that was furthest away from the band.